Builders need cutting-edge ideas that make sense. Why should builders consider installing YesterTec's kitchen workstation furniture instead of cabinetry and continuous countertops? It makes sense. Open-plan, multitask, live-in kitchens are quite different than kitchen-only kitchens. So why keep creating traditional, laboratory-like kitchens for these beautiful open spaces? Instead, kitchen workstation furniture uses the same design theories that are used in all the other living spaces in the home. People understand how to create a personalized room with furniture. They'll appreciate the opportunity to do the same in the kitchen. Placing kitchen workstation furniture or even a mini kitchen armoire like shown here into a new home is the most affordable way to purchase our products. Including our units into the mortgage spreads the payments out just like a normal kitchen would. By combining rooms together, our workstations can actually save space because the kitchen can blend so well into any other space. Kitchens can become beautiful multitask rooms, eliminating the need for lesser used rooms like living rooms and dining rooms. Saving space saves money in labor and materials. And saving materials, as you know, is the best green design technique of all. Stainless steel or no steel? Finally, builders can present an alternative to the stainless steel trend by concealing less expensive appliances. Or stainless steel appliances can be concealed when they're not in use. Okay, it's time for you to say, hey, you can't hide those hot appliances. Well, YesterTec's UL listed technology that allows ovens, cooktops, microwaves, warming drawers, and any dishwasher to be safely concealed when they're not in use is an industry first, and we're actually the only company in the world that can safely do that. So how's it work? The hot appliances, specifically the built-in ovens, cooktops, and microwave ovens, and any dishwasher, are concealed by flipper doors when they're not in use. When the flipper doors are closed in front of the appliance, the heating power is not supplied to the appliance. By opening the doors and sliding them into pockets alongside the appliance, power is activated when the door mechanism throws a low voltage switch that is connected to our controls. Our testing indicated that this device satisfied the safety requirements for all of the above appliances except for self-cleaning thermal ovens. So for these high temperature ovens, we developed a locking device that locks the flipper doors in the open position until 30 minutes after the appliance is last called for power. This allows the oven's cooling fans sufficient time to cool the appliance after the heating elements have been turned off. The 30-minute delay also allows ovens that don't utilize cooling fans, typically non-self-cleaning ovens, to cool naturally to a safe temperature prior to closing the doors. However, for those designs that just can't give up that commercial look stainless steel range, they can become focal points by flanking them with beautifully balanced workstations. Workstations are simple to install. Many operations that builders typically complete on site are completed in our factory, so installation is simplified. Furniture arrives in large, completed finished pieces, not an assortment of boxes that need to be joined together. No cutting, sanding, fitting, hanging doors, or on-site finishing is required. Stone tops arrive completely finished too. Builders, are you thinking of your time savings yet? The concept is really quite simple. Just create a beautiful room, then furnish it. When no wing walls, half walls, or soffits are required, the room design and construction can be simplified. Move the kitchen workstation pieces into the completely finished room, level, anchor, and install the utilities in them, and you're done. Our mini kitchens and hospitality centers are the perfect secondary kitchen or snack center for any home. These all-in-one units consume very little space and can be a perfect upgrade for any room that needs a small kitchen but doesn't need an exposed kitchen. Workstations are extremely mobile as well. You can change the look of your model just by selling the model's kitchen workstation furniture. Just unhook the utilities, and you've just made a creative sale, and by putting in other different kind of workstations, you've updated your model home as well. Here's something you don't see too often with cabinetry. Owners actually love that each piece is an original piece, defined by its sequentially numbered brass plaque. Don't forget about free publicity. National and regional editors and producers are always looking for examples of our workstations to amaze their audiences. Editorial endorsement is always valuable and much, much cheaper than advertising. Maintain your competitive edge. Kitchen workstation furniture can reinforce your game plan to maintain higher standards than your competitors. This concept gets people talking, and they'll be talking about your project, not your competitors. Workstations are unique, exciting, and full of buyer appeal. The sculptural appearance of kitchen workstation furniture is recognized as a high-quality upgrade for any home. For example, one of our kitchens in a North Shore, Long Island, over 55 condo sold the unit when the owners moved to Florida. Many other lesser-priced units were for sale at the same time. Don't forget to take advantage of YesterTec's legendary design services that include 3D renderings that illustrate complete YesterTec kitchens. The many available pre-designed options can be instantly priced, allowing you and your customers to customize their new kitchens like never before. In the past, you've thought enough about your customers' needs to offer them cutting-edge ideas wrapped up in high-quality, hand-built products. After all, a satisfied customer is what it's all about.